some of this country. Get that a quick stir. And boys and girls, look what we have here. Morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving, man. Hey, we're out here in Quartzsite right now still, and I'm about to get up right now, make some Thanksgiving dinner. Start it off because I don't know what time. I'm probably gonna eat Thanksgiving dinner early because I may try and find some people around here that have another Thanksgiving dinner, but I'm gonna make my own dinner just in case I don't find that, and then that way I have it cooked for later. You know, if I don't find anything, you get what I'm saying, man? And I got a whole chicken so Spike can have some too. Spikey, what's up, buddy? Happy Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh, your breath stinks. But yeah, guys, I got my bonnet on right now. I just started wearing a bonnet because, bro, my hair be crazy, bro. Like, this is keeping it somewhat better, man. Somewhat less frizzy. But yeah, man, so we're about to get out here, cook this meal. Cook this Thanksgiving meal. Thanksgiving while homeless. Thanksgiving while living in my car alone. So, yeah, man. Let's hop out of the truck and let's get this day started, man. Lately, I've been trying to stay more cleanliness. I've been trying to have more cleanliness, stay more clean and stuff. Shit. Better say bless you. But yeah, I've been staying like more organized and stuff like that because ever since that situation with the miceses, even though like that was uncontrollable just based on where I was at, they were looking for warmth and stuff, I still like to have everything organized because I feel like it makes it less harder for them to find a place. You get what I'm saying, man? I be making my bed every day, making sure all the food's cleaned up, not having food in my truck, all that, man. Yeah, so it's like, what, 10 o'clock here? Yeah, it's like 10 o'clock here. So, yeah, last night I had ran to California, Blythe, California, to go get some, something from get all my ingredients from Albertsons. I got a rotisserie chicken. I didn't get a turkey, but I got a rotisserie chicken, collard greens, corn, mashed potatoes, stuffing, all that good stuff, man. So we're gonna cook that up today and have a whole little feast inside of Quartzsite, man. And Spike gonna get some good food. You gonna get some good food, Bubby? Yeah. He gonna get some good food. Guys, I don't know if I'm getting sick or what, or if like this the desert, the dust, the sand is getting to my like allergies and stuff like that. Cause I was watching this other girl who lives out of her car who does like the van life stuff called Anissa Vanilla, I think her name. Yeah, Alyssa Vanilla. And she was saying every time she comes to Quartzsite she gets sick, so she got to take Benadryl and stuff like that. So I may go and get some Benadryl. I don't really like taking medicine or anything like that, but I may take some Benadryl. Cause bro, my nose been running all night. I be coughing and stuff, sneezing. Spike sneezing too, so yeah. Alright guys, so let's start to cook this Thanksgiving meal, man. We got a whole bunch of stuff, man. We're gonna cook up, have an amazing dinner, man. Just me and Spike. If anybody wants to come over, they can come, but I don't know what everyone else is doing, man. But yeah, let's cook up this meal and I'm gonna show y'all what we got, man. We're gonna make a good meal today, guys. I'm gonna start with the stuffing or the dressing, whatever you want to call it first. And hopefully I have enough propane. But I got the other one, but I hope it don't die out midway. About a cup and a half, so about 12 ounces of water. Should be good. If I need to add any more, I can. And it said 4 tablespoons of butter. So about half of the stick of butter. So I'm gonna add this butter inside. And let that cook up. Put the lid on and want it to come to a boil. Alright, now we're boiling. Stir this up some more. Now what we do, I got the chicken one, so I don't really eat stuffing that much, but sometimes I like it. But that does smell good. Fluff that thing up and let it sit. Now I'm actually gonna put it inside of one of these Tupperwares. That way it could keep some type of warmth. Next we're gonna get the collards started. I know these aren't the best collard greens, man, but I don't have time to make them and add all the extra stuff, extra onions and stuff like that. So this is gonna have to do for now. So yeah, we eating glory, man. We're gonna add these in now. Oh shit. That's a lot of collard greens, guys. I would add some vinegar, but I don't got none. Put the top on that for a little bit. Let that simmer down. And I did get a rotisserie chicken yesterday, so right now I'm just gonna add, cause I don't have any turkey neck or turkey wings or bacon or anything like that. So I'm just gonna add these chicken wings to it, just to give it to like that smokiness. And I don't got smoke seasoning, so I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of that sazon. Not too much. Don't want to overpower it. Then we just gonna mix it in there, because we want them chicken wings to really soak up in there. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna do a quick taste test of these greens really quickly, because I want to know if they need any salt, seasoning, or anything. There they are right there. Definitely need some salt, pepper, and probably some slap your mama. And like a whole bunch of other seasonings. So add some salt in here. Don't want to add too much. Some pepper. And I'm gonna just add some garlic and onion seasoning. Give it some of that flavor. That flavor. And I got slap your mama in this. My grandmother gave me this, so I'm not all over the place with seasonings and stuff. That should be good for that. Give that a quick stir. Oh, we got some chicken in there too. Let's do a quick taste test now. Much better. Alright, these are done. Collard greens are done. We got some chicken in there. Y'all want a bite? Here, take a bite. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. And the chicken gives it flavor too. Ooh, bro, do y'all see that, bro? Amazing. You know what? I'm gonna just pour it in here. It's a lot of collard greens, man, but oh well, I love collard greens. Bada bing, bada boom. All set for the collards. Now what's next? I'm gonna hit y'all boys with the corn, man. Just nice old sweet corn. And I know I'm doing a lot of things out of the can, but man, I don't got time and space and energy and all that extra burners and stuff to cook and have everything cooking. You know what I mean, man? All right, we're gonna add a little bit of butter in that thing. Now I will say, guys, this I'm still on my first propane tank. This has lasted me a long time, so. that lip. Now I don't know if I was supposed to bring the water out, but it will simmer out anyway. That's when we come in, hit it with some of this salt. Alrighty, so the corn is done. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit to cool down some before I put it in the Tupperware, but it's that. Look at that beauty. I'm actually glad I got these Tupperwares, man, because hope they don't melt though. They shouldn't melt, right? I don't know. Alright, time for the mashed potatoes now. So now we're just gonna add, I guess, like 1 cup of water. Or hopefully that's enough. 1 whole, or just some water, man. And we're gonna let that come to a boil. Open these bad boys up. This the one with the loaded this the loaded one. Stir these up. Bam, we got instant potatoes, man. Now I don't got no Tupperware for this, so probably just gonna put it inside of a container. Boom, yeah, let's give these a taste. Number 5. This on top of that, like that, so no bugs or flies or anything gets in it. Now this is the mac and cheese. How do I cook this? Small amounts can be heated, stirring constantly. And I'll just put this right back in there. And they said you can add some water too, so I'm gonna just add like a little tiny bit of water. That's it. I wish I had some cheese to make like a baked mac and cheese, because I don't like mac and cheese like this, like when it's watery and stuff. And then I just added some more water. Alright, and this is definitely gonna need some salt and pepper. Pepper especially. Alright, now let's give this a try now. And then you slap your mama. Oh yeah, much better. Let that simmer for probably about another minute. All right, I think my propane just ran out, but we're gonna put this mac and cheese back in there. Give it another taste test. Yo, it's crazy what seasonings can do, man. Let's cover that back up to keep it warm. Put that back on it. This propane really did run out. Yep. Alright, it ran out. Good thing I got another one. I jinxed myself, guys. Jinxed myself. Alright, we back on. Yo, there's people driving by me and stuff. And they probably smell it out through the whole camp, man. Now we gotta make our gravy. Alright guys, so I got 2 types of gravy. I got country gravy and I got turkey gravy. But I always like to use both. So for the country gravy, it says mix 1 cup of cold water. That's about like half of this. So it comes to a boil and then let it sit and simmer for a minute. That should be good. Put in this little pan. Oh, that's gonna happen. Then we go right in with this one. And forget cross-contamination, man. They're both gravy. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. That's hot. Voila, we got brown gravy too. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. We got brown gravy as well. We can't forget about the most important part, right? The turkey. But I don't got a turkey, man. Got me a nifty chicken, man. Take this chicken out. And I've already used the wings and stuff for the collard greens, but I also ate a leg last night and gave Spike some. because I don't have an oven, but I would stuff it with stuffing inside of there. Leg and thigh right there. I don't really like the skin of rotisserie chicken, so we'll give that to Spike. Find the backbone. Don't worry guys, my hands are clean. I would not be doing all this if my hands weren't. Nice breast right here. Cut that right down the middle. Look at that meat, y'all. Y'all see that? No cooking whatsoever. There we go. We got a whole chicken cleaned right there. And I'm gonna give these bits to Spike. Alright. Here you go, buddy. Get some of that chicken, boy. Oh yeah. He's like, Dad, this is good. It's good, buddy? Yeah, eat up, buddy. Alright, now with the rest of this chicken, I'm just gonna cook it in this pan to heat it up some. And on top of this. Oh, I put the lid on top. Just like that. Some gravy. Some more gravy. Oh, that's a lot of food, guys. That. Oh, we can't forget the rolls. 2 rolls. Just like that. And now, we plate everything up. So we're gonna get some of this mac and cheese, some of these mashed potatoes, stuffing, some of this corn, some collards. Collard greens is amazing. And some chicken breast. Oh, and I can't forget some of this gravy, the regular brown gravy, and also some of this country gravy. I like mixing them. Take you a roll, hit everything with some slap your mama. And boys and girls, look what we have here. We have an amazing meal cooked by Meech the Preach. We got rolls, we got mashed potatoes with brown gravy, country gravy, stuffing, collard greens with smoked rotisserie wings, corn, chicken breast, and mac and cheese, man. It's amazing, man. All right, guys, let's dig in. See how everything is. Mac and cheese, way better. Mashed potatoes, amazing. Try some of this stuffing. Stuffing's good. Collards. I love collards. Corn, A1. Last but not least, some of this chicken breast. Oh, the roll. Dip that in the gravy. Amazing, man. I mean, I want to say happy Thanksgiving to everybody, from me to you, from my family to your family. Hope you guys are enjoying an amazing meal. And yeah, guys, I'm living life. I'm out here doing what I love, man. Cooking in the desert of Arizona, man. I'm 22 years old. I'm living a dream, man. With that being said, man, it's your boy Meech the Preach. I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next video, man. Happy Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. Get some of this food, man. Get some of this food, man. Gang.